So we are now going to talk about nervous tissue. Friendly reminder once more, there are 4 types of tissue. Histology is the study of tissue. The 4 types of tissue are epithelial tissue, which we've already done, connective tissue, muscle tissue, and we're going to do the last one, which is nervous tissue. So right now we are looking at a multipolar neuron smear. The cell of nervous tissue is the neuron or the nerve cell. But there are other cells, okay? So this is called a multipolar neuron because this neuron has one axon but many dendrites, okay? So because of all of these dendrites coming off of it, this is why we call it multipolar versus bipolar or unipolar. So the big purple cells with all of these extensions coming off of it, those are the neurons. Those are the ones conducting the electrical impulses. But you'll notice in the background, let's up that magnification a bit, you see all of these purple dots here. What are those? Those are the nuclei of glial cells. Glial, G-L-I-A-L. And glial cells are not conducting the electrical impulses, but they're very important because their role is insulation, okay? They provide insulation, protection for the neurons, and there are many, many different types of neurons, many different types of glial cells, and the glial cells are the support cells, or the most abundant, cell of the central nervous system. And again, their role is insulation, protection, and there are many, many different types of glial cells that we'll get to when we do our nervous system video. But some of them you may have heard of, like Schwann cells and astrocytes and oligodendrocytes. Those are different types of glial cell. But these, just looking at them, these guys here, these are the glial cell, also called neuroglia, okay? So here, looking at the cell here, there's the axon hillock, and then these are all of the dendrites coming off. So you see there's multiple dendrites coming off, so that's what makes it multipolar. We can get even bigger. We can get to 1,000 times magnification. Now we're cooking. So here's the axon hillock, there's the axon. There is the cell body itself and the nucleus, and then you see all the little glial cells all around. So yep, we are definitely looking at nervous tissue. More multipolar neurons here. So there are the dendrites and the axon, and there's all the glial cells in the background.